this is Lit. It is a diverse community of writers and creators. So what is Lit? So Lit is basically a free platform. It is for writers and creators from all backgrounds and qualifications to come and write their works on this free platform and publish it for many people to come and see. You can write poems, novels, pieces of fiction, non-fiction, fan fiction. You could write anything that you want on this platform. Now, why do we need a platform like Lit in the first place? So many people take up writing as something that they want to do. You'll be surprised to know that in many countries, there are more than half of adults want to write about their topics. Children, especially the generation right now, who have been so deeply influenced by movies and TV shows and books, everybody wants, those kind of people really want to take up writing. However, there is very little scope once you go into the writing field. There is very little platforms that will come up to publicize your works. Publishing your own works in itself is a very hard thing to do. So only a very few, that is 23% is 0.025%. Now this is a very wide percentage, as there are no actual proper records to show how much there are. Around 23 to 0.025% of them are likely to garner any sort of attention once they publish their books. And it is even harder to publish your books once there are so many different publishing houses and so many writers coming up. The writers are bound to face rejections again and again. Now, rejections is not a bad system in itself. It gives the writers opportunities to work upon their writings. However, this discourages a lot of writers to not be able to finish their books or ever publish their books. Another important thing is that only about 1,000 writers from, well, this shows the estimate from North America, are able to earn their full-time livelihood by writing. Writers, well, people believe there is a popular public opinion that writers do earn a lot. However, those are only chosen few writers, like J.K. Rowling, for example, who made billions on her Harry Potter series. Right? People try, and now in this ever-growing world, self-publishing has also become something that has come up. But with self-publishing, it is even more harder for people to find and get recognition and attention towards their work. Writers only end up making about 7.5 to 12% of the sales of their book. So example, if I sell my book for 100 rupees, I will be getting only around 7.5 to 12 rupees upon that book. Now, that is why we require a platform like Lit. So who is Lit? Lit aspires to create a community of writers and poets across the country and even internationally. We want to bring together regional writers as well to promote their regional works. And the way we are trying to do that is collabing with different already self-established poetry institutions in India, like Sahitya Academy, the Poetry Society India, Society for Indian Literature in English Translation, etc. All of these poetry organizations which have been built work upon creating translations for regional writers and promoting their books to a larger and wider set of audiences. However, what these organizations somewhat lack is the attention of the younger generation, and Lit will do exactly that, and that is attract the younger generation to come and start writing upon their platform. Lit wants to create an easy and accessible platform for all the writers. And one of the ways we could do that is catering to a younger set of users first. The younger generation is more open minded to use whatever apps they can find. I myself have come across so many of my peers who want to write their works and have so many things they want to publish. And hence, they will find whatever platform they can to go and publish those books. So, publicizing through social media platforms is a very good way we can gather these younger generation to come to us. And once the younger generation comes to us, which they would, we would also have um, other creators from different age groups, most likely struggling creators who are looking for a platform. We also want to work on translations, as mentioned before, to ensure that we get regional users as well. Now there are already platforms like this existing, such as Amazon Kindle, where you can publish your books, or Wattpad, if you were to talk about the younger generation, Archive of Our Own, etc., etc. However, what these platforms lack, Amazon will not. What our app will give is you do not have to publish an entire book. You can publish chapter by chapter. Amazon will have an entire book which you need to be publishing in there, and hence, and you don't get a lot of attention to a big book. You know, if you publish chapter by chapter, and you slowly get attention for it, right, you will be more motivated to write other chapters. Another interesting fact about our app is that we will have a place where people can write constructive criticism. Now, writing is such a branch where you can't really teach them. You can't teach someone to imagine and write their own specific words. And for that, a hands-on experience is necessary, and hands-on feedback is also necessary for writers, and our platform will provide just that. Now here is what our financial model will probably look like. We, for our buyers, we want literary organizations. We want to collab with them as we have similar agendas and aims. Booktubers, who are essentially YouTubers in the book industry, who want to promote their own writing and have a general liking for books, and word of mouth, which is going to be one of the strongest aspects for advertising for us. The key decision makers would be my own self, different these literary organizations and publishing houses who, and once we collab with publishing houses, we will be able to guarantee books to them for them to publish. And as books on our platforms will garner more attention, when they would be published, people will buy them more because they're already so well known. Our key sponsors again would be myself, literary organizations, publishing houses, and other interested writers and readers who would be interested in the cause. The numbers journey should look mostly like this. In the first 2 months, we want around 20 to 50 writers and 60 to 100 readers on our platform. 50 to 100 in 2 to 4 months, and 150 to 200 in the next 2 to 4 months. And in the 4 to 6 months, 150 to 300, and 400 to 500, and so on, as this will increase. Another way that we will be bringing in more writers and readers onto our platform is by making books available on our platform for them to read, for which we will have to buy the rights of certain books to ensure that we get readers on our platform. And for the first 6 months, we will be providing these already published books for free. However, after the eight months are over, we will be charging fees for those books, which will be comparatively less according to other platforms like Amazon and Kindle. The amount we'll be investing, well, in the first 6 months for publicizing, since it would be mostly to the younger generation and through word of mouth and other applications, we'll be only spending about 5,000 to 7,000 the first 6 months. For app building, for the starting period, will be about 20,000 to 30,000. However, we'll be investing more later on. The way, and for rights of the books, it will be around 15,000. The way we want to get revenues of these books on this app would be through in-app advertisements. However, I don't want to lean too much into in-app advertisements, as this is a user-friendly app and we don't want to bombard them with advertisements.